Hello again.
Hello.
So I just finished doing her makeup look. I went for a pop of color on the lower lash and some glitter on the inner corner. And yeah. If you want to find out how to get this look,
Then keep on watching.
So I'm using the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh, which is some BB cream. Oh, why didn't we do that before? We're so stupid.
I know. I was just thinking about it.
From the stove.
It is weird. What are you trying to do? Shift my
Turn
jaw?
a little bit. Not that much. It is weird, right?
Yeah. It feels different.
Very different.
Does the beauty blender usually feel like this?
Yeah. Maybe it's Maybelline. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is important when you're jet lagged.
Oh my god, so important. Just use the entire tube.
Might as well. So as you can see, I went a little lightly on her nose, just so that it blends into her cheek and looks like she has a thinner nose. Look up.
Nose like 2 lyrics.
The first 2 words. Walking out the door. I'm now using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I never realized it's a just want to meet your daddy. So for bronzer, I'm using the Sleek bronzer. You know, I had no idea he's saying this up until recently.
DJ Khaled?
Yeah.
And then it was DJ Khaled.
I know, but it came out way before. And I didn't realize it said that until I heard it again recently. I didn't realize it said that until I heard it again recently.
They're always pretty.
For blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Party. Alright, smile. I'm using Tarte's Super Shock Cheek, no, ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Wisp. Yes. So I'm going in with Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Hill palette. all over her lid and her crease. I'm building it upwards. Now I'm going in with mocha, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corners of her eye. So the star of this look is really the lower lash line, so we don't want to do anything too crazy on the top since the bottom is really going to steal the show. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Listen to the rhythms and the mix that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. So now I'm going to take a little bit of, 1, 2, 3, Hustle. Oh, I never knew that it was in the back. What? The color name on the back. Oh my god. I'm going to take the color Hustle on my finger, and I'm just going to put that on her lid. I'm going to dab it on there. But right on top of that, actually, let me just do both sides. Now I'm going to take Beam, also on my finger, and I'm just going to apply it right over that with a light hand. Because I want the brown undertones, but I want it to be a little brighter than the outer corner. Now I'm going back in with my transition shade, which was Silk Cream. Again, going in with Mocha to darken up the outer corners. But since this is a daytime look, we don't want to make it dark, so it's kind of just like mattifying the shimmer. Now I'm going to go in with Central Park, just a tiny little bit in the outer corner. For the lower lash line, I am going in with Huda's Obsession palette, and I'm taking this color right here. I have no idea what it's called, but baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? Yeah. Now I'm going in with Silk Cream just to blend that all out. Now I'm going in with a NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner in the shade Azzurre. I don't know how to say that.
Me neither.
So I put the shadow as like a base and a transition before I went in with the liner. Okay. Wow, this is very like smooth and pigmented. Can you put it inside? Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on her waterline. I'm nervous too. I've never done this one. That wasn't too bad. I love it. Okay. Pretty. I love it. And I think the shadow is kind of very important to make it a smooth transition. So I'm just going to go in with that brush that I applied the shadow with, and I'm going to smudge it all out so that there aren't any harsh lines. So now I'm going in with Stila's Glitter Something in the shade Diamond Dust. And I'm using this to highlight her inner corners. Of course. Now I'm gonna go in with mascara, and I'm using the Urban Decay Bigger Blacker Batter. Wait, is that what it's called? No. Well,
I just say
perversion. Yeah, perversion. So I'm going in with this as my mascara. Look up. Your lashes are so long. Your lashes. Yeah. Now I'm going with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. This one's too. Oh no! She just took a picture of me doing her makeup. Now, to add a little more shimmer to her brow bone, I'm gonna go in with Beam on my finger.
February 22nd, 22 falls on a Tuesday, so we'll be able to call it a Tuesday.
Oh my god. What lipstick do you want?
Like a shimmer, a gloss.
Yeah,
gloss.
I like that. I'm going over her lips with the Beauty Blender to like neutralize her lip color. And now I'm going in with this Victoria's Secret Beauty Rush Sunset Kiss. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video.
And if you want to know how our travels are going, we're probably going to post a couple more videos in Italy, for sure.
And not only that, but subscribe to our channel if you like this video, and make sure to follow us on Instagram. Bye. Okay, it's recording. Wait, where's your foundation? Is it bless you.
I looked straight at the camera when I sneezed.
Ow! The same thing happened.